heart beats fast, ready to be shown. Spread my wings, feel the air, let the journey start. No more fear. Through the clouds, a world in sight, sunshine bright, guiding my flight, leaving behind the earthly ground to a place where freedom's found. Fly, fly high in the sky, touch the stars as I pass by. Fly, fly with the wind sigh, in this flight I'll never die. Fly away from all the strife, to a land of endless life. Fly, fly, let my spirit thrive, in this flight I'll survive. Over mountains, over seas, the view unfolds a symphony. Colors blend, a beautiful sight, as I'm carried by the might. Past the cities, past the towns, leaving traces never to be found. In this flight I'm on my own, following the unknown zone. The wind may change, the path may bend, but my will stays until the end. I'll keep on flying through thick and thin, to reach the place where dreams begin. Among the birds, I'm one of them, riding the air, a graceful gem. The world below, a distant view, as I'm lost in this flight's pursuit. Time seems to stop in this high, all my worries left far behind. In this moment I'm truly free, flying wild, flying free. Fly, fly high in the sky, touch the stars as I pass by. Fly, fly with the wind sigh, in this flight I'll never die. Fly away from all the strife, to a land of endless life. Fly, fly, let my spirit thrive, in this flight I'll survive. As the sun sets on this flight, memories made a beautiful sight. I'll carry this feeling deep inside, till the day I take to the sky.